Today, I'm going to be removing the aero covers, the wheel covers, on the new Tesla. Supposedly, there's a really good looking wheel under there, and the covers are on really more for aerodynamics to increase range, I guess. It kind of varies, depends on who you listen to as to whether that's really true or not. But for me, it's just a kind of a daily local driver, so I don't think it's going to make any big difference, because I think it's really more likely to make a difference if you're driving at freeway speeds. So supposedly you can just pull those off, and there's this really nice wheel under there, but it's not exactly finished. So I got some parts. They're right here, and you can see the number, and I'll leave a link down below if you want to check them out. But what I've got here, let's see if I can get this open with one hand, are some covers, and they have covers over them so they don't look as ratty as what you see right there to protect them. And then covers for the lug nuts as well. We'll see how these do. We'll see how it looks, how they fit, all that good stuff. Now, what I have to do is go ahead and pull this cover off. Supposedly, you can just grab different points on it and pull, and it'll come off. Let's find out. That wasn't too bad. Let's try down here. Oh, that's harder. Okay. They feel pretty flimsy. I feel like I could break them if I pull too hard or the wrong way. Well, not too bad. They're just held on by pressure points. It looks like, and they're metal. I don't like that too much, but on the wheels themselves, and that's it. So we have the exposed caps, which my new ones are supposed to fit on, and then the center cap here, which I'm supposed to be able to fit on there as well. Now, what I'm going to do, oh, and by the way, this is a pretty nice looking wheel. Check these out. They're like a gray or pewter color, more on the gray side. And we even have Tesla on the brake caliper. I like that. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and wash the car, and then we're going to put the covers on. All right, the car is clean, the wheels are clean. Now it's time to get to the mod, and that is, or are, the center caps and the lug nut covers. I've got them down here beside me, and we're going to start with the center cap, because frankly, that's going to be what determines whether this is a success or not, if they'll actually fit well in there without breaking them. I've heard people have broken these kind of things. I think it kind of depends on the quality of the part, to be honest. But we're going to see, and I do have a rubber hammer here to kind of give it a little smack if I need to, gently, very gently. So let's see how it goes. First, I'm going to see if I can just push it in there, because that would be ideal if I can. And I think I can, and I'd rather do that than have to smack them. And obviously it's not going in all the way. It has to overcome a lip on the other side, which I think I should be able to do. Let's try it again by hand, and I'll give it a little bit of a punch. It's not fitting exactly like I want, and it looks like, yeah, it won't fit entirely within the slot, which is okay. But let's try it again. And this time I'll try using the hammer a little bit. It's kind of offset a little bit to the left. I don't know if that really matters. think so, but I wish it fit more down into the hole, because if I push on the left side of it, it just kind of pops out like so. So I'm going to try another one just to see if there's any difference, but let me work on it a minute. I don't want to bore you with me trying to fit, and then we'll come back on. Okay, I tried a different one and it fits perfectly. So this is the way it should look. I don't think it'll rotate, no. But that gets it in there the way that it should. Maybe it's just the way I was hitting it. I did do it with my hand. Let's go ahead and pop the cover off. And that's what it's going to look like on the car. I think it looks pretty good. I like it. I like the way that it fits. Now, let's give a try to these little lug nut covers. And they're just friction held, really. So I am going to give that a little. And that one broke. There you go. So that's not good. I don't know if I hit it too hard. I don't know if I have any extras. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'd need 20 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I have one extra. So the next ones, I'm going to just push on by hand. I'm not going to hit it with a hammer. That's too bad. That kind of sucks. All right, so let's try the next one. All right, that's just by hand, and they do fit well. I don't think they're going anywhere, but I think hitting it with a hammer just gave it a little too much oomph, because these are not breaking. There you go. There is the finished look. Now I'm going to go around and do the rest. I'll come back on, let you know if I have any troubles. Okay, got them all on. Didn't have any problems breaking any of the others, but I will say the one that I was having difficulty with, the center cap, is back here, and I don't know if it's going to stay on there or not. Honestly, when I pushed on it after I had it on, I gave it a couple of love taps, like so, and it popped out like it just is there. So I don't think that one's really going to stay on. We'll find out. I would not recommend these, so there will not be a link down below. All the other ones came out really well, and I do love the look. I mean, I think it looks good. It's just poor quality, I think, as far as that one goes. Anyway, I may replace them with a different company's version. I think it's a great idea. I think the car really looks good with them on, so leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Barring the quality of the product, what do you think of the look? I'd be curious to know. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Bye.